Today in our mathematics class, the topic is represent each of the numbers root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the real line. For this, first we draw a line segment and name it XOA. It's a horizontal line, and now take one unit, whether it is centimeter or inch, whatever it may be, it should be 1 unit. It is 1 unit. And now draw a line perpendicular. Draw a line perpendicular to XOX. Draw a line perpendicular equal to 1 unit. Equal to 1 unit. This is also 1 unit. It's 1 unit and equal and exactly perpendicular, so it's 90 degree. Now draw a line connecting and name it A. Now draw a line connecting A to O. It is OA. This line we can say OA. Now from Pythagorean theory it is true that we name this B, or whichever name you can give, P, B, anything like that. Now it is OP square plus OA square is equal to AP square. AP square is equal to AO square. You look here, this is 1 unit, this is also 1 unit, and now we have to find out the diagonal. This is base and it is perpendicular and it's a right triangle. We have made here, constructed a right triangle here. Now you see it's the diagonal. OA is the diagonal of that right triangle. Now OA can be AOP square plus AP square is equal to AO square, and OP square plus AP square is equal to root AO square means AO. Now we know OP. OP is 1 unit and AP is also 1 unit, is equal to 1 square is 1 and 1 square is 1, so it is root 2. Now the length of this diagonal is root 2, so this is root 2. Now taking this length as the radius, take the length as radius, draw a arc, draw an arc. This is the radius and draw an arc from the center. As center O, draw an arc from here, we will get arc like this. And now we can say this is a root 2. This is root 2. And now how can we show root 3 on this line? This is root 2. This is a root 2. This length from here to here, it is exactly root 2. Now again take 1 unit equal to this. It's a 1 unit here and perpendicular to this point at a 90 degree. It's a 90 degree. And name this B. Now connect B and O like this. And you know here also one more right angled triangle has been created. One more right angled triangle is here. Again we know OA. Here OA is equal to root 2 and AB is equal to 1 unit. So that we can find out OB. OB is the diagonal of this triangle. So OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So OB is equal to root OA square is equal to root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to root square is 4. 2. It's 2 plus 1. Root 2 square is equal to 2. क्योंकि root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. So that we can write under root 2 plus 1, that is OB is equal to root 3. The length of this diagonal OB is root 3. Now take this length from O to B as the radius, and with the help of a compass take this as a radius and draw an arc. This arc will come like this. Draw an arc. Exactly, it will come here, and this point can be called as root 3. In this line, this is root 3. Now in this way, again, we take 1 unit. 1 unit again, this length, 1 unit is here. It is 1 unit. It is exactly maybe 1 centimeter, 1 inch, 1 meter. According to your life, you can choose 1 unit. This is also 1 unit, same length. This is also 1 unit, same length. Again 1 unit. We take 1 unit again, and at 90 degree we draw this line exactly perpendicular on OB, and now draw a line from, and name it C, this point as C, and draw a line from C to O. Now again we can say OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. OB square we know it is root 3. Root 3 square plus BC is again 1 square, yani 3 square is equal to 3 and 1 square is equal to 1. So OC is equal to under root 3 plus 1 is equal to root 4, that is 2. Now we get the length is root 4, that is 2. Now as the radius in your compass, draw an arc. This arc will come here. It is 2 or root 4. This point can be said root 4. Now in this way again we draw another 1 unit. I have not taken the 1 unit exactly the same because I do not use any scale or inch. I am just doing it looking the same. Here you see it is 1 unit. This same 1 unit. It's 1 unit. And name this as D. Name this point as D. Now join this D to O. Join this D and O. Again we get OD square is equal to root OC square plus CD square. What is the value of OC square? OC square is 2, that is 2 square plus it's 1 unit, 1 square. So we get OD is equal to 4 plus 1, that is root 5. Again take this length. This is root 5. Take this length in your compass. Take this length in this way and draw an arc. Draw an arc using the same radius. This is the radius, and using that radius, it's root 5. We have drawn or shown root 2, root 3 and root 5 on a real number line. The real line you see here, it's root 2 is here, root 3, again root 4, that's 2, root 4 is equal to 2, now root 5. In this way we can So we can represent root 2, root 3 and root 5 on a real line. Once again I repeat it. Now carefully you listen it. I am going to repeat the same thing. सबसे पहले आपको एक लाइन खींचना है जिसको एक सेंटर में आप और देंगे उसको, उस लाइन का नाम ओ एक्स नाम दे दीजिए। आप कोई भी नाम दे सकते हैं, ए ओ वाई दीजिए, एक्स ओ एक्स दीजिए, पी ओ एक्स दीजिए, वॉट एवर यू कैन गिव एनी इंग्लिश लेटर्स एट द नेम ऑफ दिस नंबर, दिस लाइन। नाउ टेक ए पॉइंट इन द सेंटर, वी गिव द नेम ओ। नाउ टेक 1 यूनिट इन योर इंच स्केल। आप अपने स्केल में 1 यूनिट लीजिए, वो 1 सेंटीमीटर लीजिए या 1 इंच लीजिए। 1 इंच लेंगे तो फिर बाद में भी आपको वही इंच का प्रयोग करना है। तो हमने यहाँ 1 इंच ले रहा है, इसको हम 1 यूनिट लेंथ कहेंगे। 1 यूनिट है वो इंच हो या सेंटीमीटर। सेम उतना ही इसको 90 डिग्री परपेंडिकुलर, एग्जैक्टली परपेंडिकुलर होना चाहिए, यानी 90 डिग्री यहाँ कोण बन जाए। इसके बाद आप उस लाइन ऐसे खींच दिया, यहाँ आपको हाँ एक और एक्स नाम दे दिया, एक्जैक्टली 1 यूनिट यहाँ ले लिया, इसको एक नाम दे दिया पी या क्यू, विचएवर द नेम इज। दिस इतना ही लंबा यहाँ ऐसे आप 90 डिग्री परपेंडिकुलर, एग्जैक्टली परपेंडिकुलर ले लिया और ओ को इसको जोड़ दिए, इसको हम ए नाम दे देंगे और ओ को जोड़ दिए। अब हम लोग राइट ट्रायंगल के यहाँ मिल रहा है, तो हम लोग जानते हैं पाइथागोरियन थ्योरी में है कि ये जो बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू डायगोनल स्क्वायर। ये डायगोनल ट्रायंगल का, तो ये दोनों का स्क्वायर है ओपी स्क्वायर प्लस एपी स्क्वायर। यहाँ भी 1 यूनिट है, यहाँ भी 1 यूनिट है, तो 1 + 1 स्क्वायर होगा और 2 √2। √2 हमें मिल गया। ये लेंथ क्या है? √2 है। ये लेंथ का लंबाई क्या है? इसका लंबाई है √2। अब फिर उसी कॉर्नर ए से ए ओ को परपेंडिकुलर, आप एकदम परपेंडिकुलर एक लाइन लेंगे, वो भी 1 यूनिट होना चाहिए। जितना ही लेंथ है इक्वल टू दिस लेंथ, ये उतना ही लेंथ ले लिया और वहां से फिर ओ पे एक लाइन खींच ली, इसको कनेक्ट कर दिया और एक। अब फिर हमें एक राइट ट्रायंगल मिलता है, वहां भी वैसा ही है, ये मिल गया √2, ये 1, तो इसका लंबाई, डायगोनल का लंबाई है √2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर। तो हम लोग कहेंगे बी ओ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू √2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू √3। हमें इस लेंथ मिलेगा √3। फिर अगेन ओ बी पर परपेंडिकुलर 90 डिग्री पे फिर एक लाइन खींचा 1 यूनिट, जितना यूनिट ए लिया था उतना यूनिट फिर ले लिया। अब उस पॉइंट का नाम दिया सी और सी और ओ को कनेक्ट कर दिया, फिर एक डायगोनल मिल गया हमें, एक और डायगोनल मिल गया। अब हम कहेंगे ओ बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ओ सी स्क्वायर। तो ओ बी स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर है, ये 1 स्क्वायर है, 3 स्क्वायर इज √3 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3 + 1 4 स्क्वायर, यानी दिस डायगोनल इज √4 is equal to 2 units. Now again from the point C perpendicular to OC, we draw a line, unit 1 unit length, the equal to this one, equal to OP, equal to PA, equal to AB, equal to BC, and now D. We name this D. This unit, this line is called CD. Now we got one more diagonal here. Now what is the length of this diagonal? This diagonal is equal to OC square plus CD square, that is 2 square plus 1 square, that is root 5. Now take your compass. This root 2, the length of this diagonal, you take the radius in your compass. I do not have a big compass, so I show in my fingers. I took this length as the radius and draw an arc. An arc is drawn here. Wherever it touches, this arc touches the line segment of x or x, that point is called a root 2. Again with your compass, take this as radius. OB, the length of OB as radius, draw one more arc. That arc touches this line segment x or x at this point. This point is root 3. Now again take your compass and take the radius and draw one more arc, and where it touches the line segment x or x, it is root 4. Root 4 is equal to 2 units. Now we have reached 2 units. And again from O as the center, take the radius OD and draw an arc touching the line segment x or x at this point. This point is root 5. In this way we can represent root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the real line. Thank you.